Hello, in this tutorial video we will be speaking about customers and how Multiorders downloads them and stores them. So at the very top in the columns you should select the customer option. It will open up your window with all of the customers that have purchased your products. Have in mind that we do not download the customers from your marketplace, we only store them when an order is placed, and then we remember the customer and we store their name, email, phone number, and sometimes company, the created date, and you can also tag them by checkmarking and adding a tag. As you've seen in the previous videos, you can just create a tag by clicking here and creating a completely new one. Now you can also filter the customers by various fields as customer created date, store, postcode, company name, and tags. And as well, you can export the customers with a convenient CSV file, and you can create a completely new customer by clicking on the top right blue button. This will open up this pop-up window where you will have to input their email, first name, last name, which are required fields, then phone number and note are not mandatory, address line, city, postcode, and country are mandatory, but company, state, and the second address line is not mandatory. As well, do input an email of the customer and just click save. You can also add more addresses if that would be a requirement, for instance if a customer has multiple addresses. So this is a short tutorial video about how the customer dashboard works and how it's stored and what you can do in this column. Always remember that on the top right corner we have this little question mark which you can click, and you will be redirected directly to our Q&A section about integrations, orders, inventory, etc. Here you will find tutorial guides how to correctly integrate any of your sales channels as well. And as I said previously, if you have any questions, just write directly to our live chat or give us a call and we will help you with the process of the integration. I hope this video was useful, and as always, have a nice day.